Hello ladies and germs, here we are with the Bethel Olentangy Trail Connector. So we're going to take a look at Bethel and then we'll take off. So right, going back toward Olentangy Trail. Nice stretch, lots of cars coming off 315. This is not officially open to the public, just put that out there. We are coming up to the intersection of the off-ramp from 315 south to Bethel. A lot of people are already complaining about this, as you will see. Alright, I was lucky I got here when there aren't too many cars coming. Crossover. On our way. After that crossing, it's a piece of cake. Bridge over 315. Going down the switchback. That is looking north on 315. Here's a switchback. Looking south on 315. Coming up to the now famous tunnel. And the signs that say not open to bicycle traffic yet. Olentangy Trail toward Antrim Lake. This has been your roving reporter. Stay tuned.